Now let's see phrases and clause. First, what is phrase? Phrase, we have learned that what is called phrase. Phrases are generally called a group of words. It is not a complete sentence. Why we say not complete sentence? Because it does not have a proper subject and verb. It is a partly kind of a sentence. We can say it is not a complete sentence. That's why we wrote here a partly complete sentence. It seems like that phrases are generally used to show the meaning, not only the exact word, not the complete sentence. That's why it is called here phrase. So on the contrary, we would like to know that clauses are, it is a group of words which contains subject and predicate. Subject and predicate, and it is capable to show its meaning by its own. Look here, the difference. The difference is what? The phrases are a group of words, but it is a kind of a part of sentence. You can say it is a kind of a part of sentence, and which does not show complete sense like sentence. So phrases are not called sentence. Phrases do not have proper subject and even sometimes finite verb also. But the clauses means it is a group of words which contains subject and predicate. Subject and predicate means what? If you want to know about the subject and predicate, what will you say about the subject and predicate? Suppose we give an example. How do you understand that which one is subject and which one is predicate? So write an example here. If I am writing here, Ram reads a book. Ram reads a book. Here Ram is a subject. And rest of all like verb, object, other complement like articles or anything which is used in the sentence is called predicate. We should write it down in the short form S and P. S for subject and P for predicate. So clauses are normally a part of sentence in which subject and predicate means subject, verb and other words are used to form a complete meaning by its own. There is no need to take any kind of help from any other side. So that's why it is called here clauses. Clear? So the difference between phrase and clause, phrase is not a complete sentence. It is a part of sentence, but the clauses are complete sentence because it has subject and it has its own predicate also. Is it clear? So this is the difference between phrases and clause.